pot is heating it up, what we will start with, as a modern twist, we have sourced those beautiful aubergine. We cleaned it on the side, split it in the middle, cut it into four so that the masala can goes in there. It needs a little bit of frying on the side. I don't know whether Harpan has done that or not, but we're going to be doing it for our test today. So frying that, we'll be putting it back, and then we'll follow the process. Yes, yes. Because
and you will be frying it in the sesame oil?
I will be frying in the sesame oil. So now I can see that is working on this. If I may kindly boil in there. So here goes the oil.
2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons of sesame oil.
Well, yes, absolutely. Those sort of. Okay. So before you do that cumin seed, like I said, we're going to be frying those. So I'm just gonna put it on there to fry, and it just coated the fried on the side of it. My mom usually marinate those aubergine before fry with the turmeric, and I know you can do that as well. But in that case, what we're going to be doing is just coating it. Yes, and this is I put it in there 6.
And here Litu has fried those brinjals, given them a slight
charred on this as well. So it's a little burnt.
And this smells so good. इतनी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है because of this pot. बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है.
Absolutely.
अच्छा, वो निकाल लिया, बैगन निकाल दिए. अब उसी pot में फिर से sesame oil डाला है 2 tablespoons.
Okay, and then in there, here goes the beautiful cumin.
So
I'm just going to fry this cumin.
1 teaspoon.
The grinded spices. So you're going to do ginger, turmeric. A grinded turmeric would be lovely.
जब मसाला भून गया है, तेल ऊपर आ गया है, when the oil comes on top, you add in the fried brinjals back to the pot. ठीक है?
Wonderful. And then with that, giving a little bit of a stir.
Okay.
And just keeping it 1 or 2 minutes so that those masala try to be coated inside, and then we'll put some vegetable stock. Now, this might get a little bit of a challenge to the home cook. And he said, I don't have a stock. That means I can't cook this curry. Actually, this is not. Harappan never used that stock.
Yeah.
This is a modernized way of doing that. So we can easily use the water. So the stock is a fancy part of this journey of this curry.
अगर आपके पास broth नहीं है, vegetable stock नहीं है, don't worry. आप simple पानी डाल सकते हैं.
Okay, so this aubergine would now need to increase the temperature. So I'm going to heat it up medium to high. So the interesting way we'll be doing that, if I could do it here, so I don't drop any. We don't want to lose that beautiful masala.
Yeah, that's the main thing.
That's the main thing. So you got some ginger julienne. So you take this inspiration from the karai, the way we serve it. And it's a very healthy.
Yeah.
It is very, very healthy to have that. And we can just garnish a little bit. My mother's garam masala. So this, she would love that. So if you can smell a little.
No, I did. Very nice.
Very nice.
What is something special in this?
Jayatri, as well as the nutmeg, you can get that. And then the star anise, the aniseed flavor is on there as well.
That's the flavor.
There's the star anise on there.
Star anise का, बादियान का फूल.
ऑबरजीन करी अज्जा, छोटे बैंगन 6 से 8 अदद, अदरक 2 इंच का टुकड़ा, पिसी हल्दी 1 चाय का चमचा, सी सॉल्ट या काला नमक हस्बे जरूरत, कैरी जूलियन 50 ग्राम, तिल का तेल 2 से 3 खाने के चमचे, साबित जीरा 1 खाने का चमचा, गुड़ या ब्राउन शुगर 1 चाय का चमचा, वेजिटेबल स्टॉक या पानी 100 मिलीलीटर.